Hello boys and girls! Today we are going to make a name train. Look, name. My name is Monika, yes? M-O-N-I-K-A, Monika, okay? And this is my name train. And now there is my friend Katka behind the camera. Hi Katka!
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so for this train you will need, have a look, come and have a look, you will need some colored paper and scissors and a glue and some crayons and some felt tips and more crayons if you want. Okay, so now everybody run, 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 run. Go and get what you need and then come back, okay? We will pause the video, stop the video. Okay, welcome back. So now we are going to choose the paper first, okay? This paper is green, but now I'm going to choose, for example, yellow paper, yes? I have yellow paper now, and I'm going to choose a different name. So for example, I'm going to choose Katka's name because I have Monika here. So we are going to have Katka, K-A-T-K-A, yes? 5 letters. So take the paper, and now the train is about this big. Can you see? About maybe this big, right? So if you want to measure it, have a look. You put it here. This will be your train, okay, like this. And we need 5 carriages. K-A-T-K-A. Katka, yes, 5 carriages. So we are going to draw the lines. I'm going to take the pencil. Oh, where is the good pencil? Okay, pencil. And, oh yes, I need a ruler. I forgot the ruler. Okay, the ruler, okay. Now, and I need 5 lines, yes? So this is going to be the first one. 1. And I need 4 more, yes, 5 together. So this will be in the middle, and in the middle again, and in the middle again. Okay, right? So here we have 6. M-O-N-I-K-A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now Katka, K. Pick this big, right, like this, rectangle, and I'm going to cut it out. Take the scissors, and cut it out. Right, like this. And I have 5 rectangles. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now I take those rectangles, all of them, and I'm going to stick them on the paper, okay? I'll stick them on the paper. So I need a glue. Which one is good? Let me see. Oh, this is good. All right, I need a glue. Okay, I put the glue here on the paper. Okay, and I stick my rectangle here. Okay, 1. Now another one. Okay, so next to the red rectangle is a green rectangle. And next one again. Okay, and next to the green rectangle is an orange rectangle. Okay, another one. Right next to the orange rectangle is a blue rectangle. And the last one Okay. Next to the blue rectangle is a pink rectangle. Okay, and now we press hard, press with your hand. Okay, now, so we have 5 carriages, yes, carriages here. And now we need the beginning of the train. So we need a little rectangle. Maybe I have an orange rectangle. Oh, triangle, sorry, triangle like this. Okay, I'll put my triangle at the beginning here. So I stick glue on the triangle. Okay, and I place it here and I press. Okay, press. Okay, and now we need the top of the train, little window and a little roof here. Right, so maybe I'll take a red square. Okay, this is a square. So I cut out a red square and I stick it here. Okay, right, I'm gonna have a little window and I press again. And we need a rectangle as well, or a triangle, sorry, a triangle. Maybe I take a purple triangle. Okay, now we're going to cut a triangle and we stick it here. Okay, right, almost ready, almost ready. Now we are going to need the rails here, yes, the rails. So you take a felt tip or a crayon if you want, and you draw a line. Yes, Monika is going to draw a big line. Right. Okay. The first line and the second line. Okay. Right. And we are going to draw little lines here as well. Okay. So you finish the lines here. We will stop the video. You finish the lines and then come back. Okay. See you later. Welcome back, boys and girls. Okay, so I finished my lines here and I started to make wheels. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need some more here, okay, at the end. So I'm going to draw the wheels, right? Okay, one more. Okay, so we have the wheels here and I wrote the name. Katka, yes, K-A-T-K-A, all right? And we can draw a little window here, right? And we can draw the lines here as well, like this. And that's it. And if you want, you can draw a happy person here. Right, okay? Bye-bye, bye-bye. Okay, so we have a name train. Okay, so make the name train with your name, okay? And then you show me when we see each other, okay? Bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye.